one of the richest persons in the world, and MD and chairman of Reliance Industries, which is the largest Indian private sector enterprise. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is a worthy example of business tycoons carrying forward the legacy. He is the elder son of legendary business leader late Dhirubhai Ambani, and he has played a pivotal role in taking Reliance Industries Limited to zenith of success in his illustrious career. Despite the steep competition from rival tycoons like Tatas and Birlas and allegations of business malpractice, Mukesh Ambani continues his success in various spheres of business. Today, we talk about the journey of Mukesh Ambani, who can easily be called as a rare gem in India's business sector. Mukesh Ambani was born on April 19, 1957 to Indian business legend Dhirubhai Ambani and wife Kokilaben Ambani. He has three siblings, one younger brother Anil Ambani and two sisters Deepti Salgokar and Neena Kothari. The family lived in a modest two-bedroom apartment till the late 1970s in Phuleshwar in Mumbai. Mukesh attended the Hillgrants High School in Mumbai, where he was a classmate of Anand Jain, who is his close associate now. His younger brother also attended the same school as him. After completing his high school in Mumbai, he got an engineering degree in chemical engineering from Institute of Chemical Technology at Matunga. He also started his MBA in Stanford University, but he had to discontinue his studies to assist his father in the family startup company called Reliance, which was growing fast at that time. After joining the business, Mukesh Ambani played a pivotal role in growing the business legacy and diversified into new sectors. Under his leadership, Reliance Industries made a foray into sectors like petroleum refining, petrochemicals and gas exploration. He also set up Reliance Infocom Limited, presently called as Reliance Communications Limited. Later in 2010, Mukesh Ambani set up the biggest grassroots petroleum refinery plant in Jamnagar. With this initiative, manufacturing capacity of Reliance Petrochemicals grew substantially. The company has also become a leading player in the retail sector under his leadership and endeavors. In his successful and enviable business career, Mukesh Ambani has gone through some turbulent times too. His fight with younger sibling Anil Ambani, who is another business tycoon and chairman of Reliance ADA Group, hogged media attention for a long time. But lately, Mukesh Ambani also had a setback when the NDA government slammed a $579 million fine on Reliance Industries Limited for gas production shortfall. And if these were not enough, Mukesh Ambani faced hurdles in the form of business malpractice allegations too. His detractors, including Aam Aadmi Party founder Arvind Kejriwal, accused him of interfering in the governance of the country. However, Reliance Industries Limited as well as Mukesh Ambani himself have denied the allegations strongly. The company later had also resorted to legal actions over this controversy. However, despite all these accusations and setbacks, Mukesh Ambani never looked weak and was always growing with the time. With the numerous acquisitions made by Reliance Industries Limited, the acknowledgement from leading business entities and his firm hold on India's richest person has not made Mukesh Ambani complacent. His recent success can be seen in the form of Reliance Jio Infocom, his telecom arm and his vision, which is all set to roll out super-fast 4G services at a minimal price. With Reliance Jio, Mukesh Ambani has promised an investment of over 1 lakh crore in India and will use the Pan-India BWA 4G spectrum rollout, which will cover almost 90% of urban regions and more than 2,15,000 villages. It is being deemed as an aggressive move by industry analysts at a time when telecom companies are vying for 4G dominance. However, Mukesh Ambani was very confident with Reliance Jio. It is with this confidence and Mukesh Ambani's willpower that Reliance Jio had a record 16 million subscribers within 1 month of launch, and the subscriber base are increasing by the day. Today, Mukesh Ambani lives with his family in Mumbai in a private 27-story building named Antalya. His residence is known to be one of the most expensive residential places ever built in the world. It is currently valued at over $1 billion. Well, with his strong vision and his continuous effort, Mukesh Ambani is today regarded as one of a gem of a businessman. who is respected and followed across the world for his brilliant leadership and execution skills. We salute Mukesh Ambani for his towering ambitions and hope he continues to take Reliance Industries to greater heights with time. If there's one person whom every startup enthusiast idealizes, then it is none other than Ratan Tata, who is one of the most successful business persons in